Do you find yourself spending a lot of money on baby formula? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Eileen Judd. I'm the Busy Money Bee. I'm a mom of 4 and I know what it's like to live on a tight budget. Money saving videos every Tuesday. So let's get to it. Number 1, sign up for savings. You can go to your favorite formulas website and sign up to receive coupons and free samples like Infamil or Similac. I do both so I can get coupons for whatever I need, and I make sure to tell them what formula I'm using because sometimes they give you specific coupons for whatever formula that you're using. Number 2, know the best prices. At Costco for a 42-ounce formula, it's $19.99, and for a 32-ounce formula of Similac, it's $35. That's a better price per ounce and better savings overall, about $15. That's insane. So Costco wins for the regular formula. However, sensitive formula is actually better priced at other stores like Target or Walmart. For other formulas, try buying from Target or Walmart or whatever store brand is best priced in your area. In my area, it's Target has sensitive formula for 33 ounces for $19.99 versus $28.99 for Similac sensitive formula at 22 ounces. Better price per ounce and better price overall. However, it's important that you do what's best for your baby's tummy, and so do what you can to save money and find the best price for whatever your baby needs. Number 3, if you're living on a low income and you're a mom, go sign up at your local WIC for benefits and you can get free formula for your baby through WIC to help you while you're struggling and trying to transition and work towards a better life for you and your family. Number 4, you can save money by breastfeeding or supplementing. Obviously, if you're breastfeeding full time, then you don't need to be spending money on formula. But if you're like me and you have to supplement because you have a low milk supply, or you're working on your baby trying to gain weight while you're trying to fix milk supply issues, then you'll save money by buying less formula than if you were to feed your baby full time with formula. With supplementing, I only have to buy 1 container and from Costco or Target for about $20 a month with just the amount I'm supplementing. But when I've had to feed my babies full formula all the time, then it's about $100 a month. So if you are having issues with breastfeeding and you want to quit, if you still have enough sanity to keep going, it's worth the savings to breastfeed your baby and they get the antibodies and also get fed formula to get the rest of the nutrition that they need, because fed is best and that's important. Every little bit helps. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want more videos like this, click the like button. If you want to not miss out on my newest videos, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified. Until next time, happy savings. Bye.